Yo, what up, chat? What up? What up? All right, let's get going, bro. All right, chat. What's up, y'all, chat? What's up? What's up, y'all? The stream is going fine, bro. I was a little bit busy with some works, so and the shitty electricity I have, bro, in my area. All right. So what are we looking at? What are we looking at? So euro right now price is staying above this 4 hour BC right here. I'm bullish on the daily time frame, but price kind of indicating some lower prices. I do not have any confidence yet that price wanna go lower, so I'll probably wait. And yeah, I think price could go higher from here. That's what I think. If we fail to sweep that high low right there, there is a huge probability that we are gonna shoot up that low right there. If we fail to sweep that low. That's my thinking right now for euro. Let's jump on bro. GBP just wilding right now. GBP is wilding. So yeah, let me remove the executions. So pound just didn't sweep that high right here. Failed to sweep that high. If we look closely, it didn't sweep that high, and it took a deep retracement within this dealing range right here, in that dealing range, and swap that low right here. Monday's London sessions low. Price swap that low right here, and right now it's kind of stalling right there. I'll probably leave it for the day today. I'll probably leave pound for today. I'm not gonna take any trade on pound. When I look at pound on the daily time frame, I see like bearish confirmations. If you look at pound, you'll think like pound's gonna go continue going lower. But if we whenever I see whenever I look at that euro chart, I think there is a high probability that euro might push up and swap the daily high, bro. So yeah, I'm kind of waiting for some confluence right now. And if you look at DXY, we talked about this on my weekly analysis. What I want to see, you could see price tapped into the second volume imbalance right here. Price did eventually dropped into that, and now it's showing some retracement. So let's see. Yep. And there is a hourly order block at that level too. You could see there is a hourly order block there as well, and this could be a market structure shift right here for DXY. Right there, that could be a market structure shift. Right, then that's too wide, bro. That right there. So we broke that high. Now I think price could go higher, bro, for DXY. Yep, price tap into the OT after breaking the structure, and let's see if DXY able to break that high right here, then we can confirm, we can say that price could probably going to continue going higher on DXY, and other pair like uh, pound and euro probably gonna go lower. That's what it is, bro. And also, bro, the electricity is shitty right now. Fuck. Take all this off. Alright. Nothing in the 4 hour time. Alright. On the 4 hour time frame, we have this CV right here. Now it's on the daily time frame. That's a daily fair value gap, bullish fair value gap. And we have one at 4 hour time frame as well, right here. Alright. Bro, I was kind of bearish today on USD JPY. If you look at look at your 30-minute time frame and compare both of these pair, DXY and USD JPY, you see DXY created a higher high, and at that time USD JPY didn't made that higher high. So there was SMT right there, and I took a short right around. Let me show you. I posted that on my Discord and told them to keep eyes on USD JPY. I think some of them took the same trade as I took, bro. I went short right at there, I guess, and I had my stop loss right out that high, and I got out around right here, I think. Yeah, I got out around right here. But initially, I was targeting these lows right here, these lows, and we also had some hourly lows right here. We also had these lows right here. So initially, I was targeting these lows, but yeah, price failed to go lower, and let's see what we can get on New York sessions. Let's see if New York session gives us anything. Let's take it off. Do we have anything? All right, we have a bullish SMT on USD JPY right here. We do have a bullish SMT right here with DXY, but if USD JPY sweeps that high right there, if USD JPY sweeps that high right here, we might see a higher price on USD JPY. But for me to consider taking a buy trade on USD JPY, I want to see DXY sweep that high, that correlated high also. So if it doesn't do that, I'm gonna stay out, bro. I'm gonna stay off of it. Check, give me a moment, check. Alrighty, chat. Alright, let's turn on the video. Let's turn on the camera. What the fuck? Where is that? Come on, man. Bro, fuck. Alright. Alright, I'm kinda looking sexy today, bro. Fuck. Yeah. What about tomorrow's bias FOMC? Bro, I cannot say, I cannot predict tomorrow's bias, bro. If we have FOMC, bro, the thing is that for me, whenever I consider taking a trade, I'll always try to see what the previous day did, bro. If I see markets, maybe I'll have different bias on the long term, but on the lower time frame, like hourly time frame and maybe for your 15-minute time frame, if I see something else, probably I'll trade the counter trend. That's how I trade it usually. So if I see any similarity on the hourly time frame, or I mean on the lower time frame and also on the higher time frame, then I could say that I could probably predict you what the bias gonna be. But for the day, bro, I want to see USD JPY push higher. Euro probably, bro. There is a huge chance that USD gonna sweep that swing high right there. I want to see that high being swept. After that, there's gonna be a clean move down, bro. Trust me on that, bro. There's gonna be some clean move. And I've seen this so many times. We could see probably price gonna consolidate around right here, and when tomorrow when the FOMC news comes out, probably price gonna give us a week, taking out that daily swing high, and then probably gonna continue going down. That could be one thing, but let's see, bro. Let's see. We don't know. We don't know until we see anything. That's my switch right there. That's our switch. But today I'm gonna be looking for bullish setups. I took some trades today, bro. Fuck, bro. I cannot like for sit tight and just wait for my setup. I took three fucking trades blindly, and I lost like on my eval. I bought another eval today on funding pips. I on that eval I took like 2 or 3 days. I lost like three each of them. And when I took that USD JPY trade after the perfect analysis, I waited for that trade, and yeah, I got back like 70% of the loss on that particular trade. So, bro, I mean, everyone have this, but I don't know. Fuck, bro. Like whenever I sit in front of the charts, I feel like I have to do something, bro. Bro, fuck it, bro. I need to work on that more, bro. I need to work on that more. Let's put on the headphones. Alright, I give a thumbs up to the stream, and if you're new here, sub up, bro. Sub up. Give a thumbs up. Sub up, chat. Sub up. Alright. Chat. Chat. What do we see, chat? Alright. If Let me give you a nugget, just a piece of nugget, bro. If we can see pound sweeping this low right here, that low right here is gonna go down there, bro, and it's not gonna take any pullback. You'll see if that happens. You'll see that if pound needs to take some pullback, or I mean some deeper pullback, it should not go below that low, bro. If it does that, then we fucking gonna crash. We are going down there. We're gonna see these lows, bro. That's a good setup, bro. On the 5 minute time frame, bro. I do not have anything right now on my. Let's see. Let's see. I'm gonna be just wait, bro. I'm just gonna wait for my setup. If I don't see anything, I'll probably take the day off and do some other shit. Yo, Chad, did you like the yesterday's video that I put? I saw you guys like, bro. That video just blew up, bro. I think you guys like it so much. Appreciate you all for that, chat. There was some. I mean, there were a lot of advice, like nah, very like on point, you could say. Those are too much relatable. And currently, I'm editing another one. Uh, I just finished the audio today. I do have to cut more, some more segment out of it, and yeah, probably gonna post that 2 days later. But yeah, that's it. Dang. By the way, chat, make sure to check out Finity Funding. They're giving a 30% discount for the Christmas, and yeah, bro, how much fund do you manage? Can you show it? I'll show it, bro. I'll show it, but I feel like it's not a good thing to prove prove yourself to someone. If you know what, if you know you wrote, you don't need to prove yourself to someone else, bro. Go go on my Discord and check it out. I put all my trades on my live phones, also on my emails, also on my prop accounts. So you go there and check it out, bro. I have all those on my Discord. That's totally free. You can go and check it out. And I'm not gonna post any payout certificate right now until I hit a certain goal. I have a goal. Uh, you could say before this year ends, I have a goal to hit. Once I hit that, you're gonna see it, bro. I'm not like joking with you all right now. I'm gonna show you that, but you need to wait for that, bro. You need to wait for that. All right, we kind of forming bullish S&P right here. Right here, we're forming a kind of bullish S&P. I don't want to see this, bro. Let's see what's you doing. All right, bro. I'm gonna wait, fucking wait. I'm not gonna do the same shit as learning session. Fucking lost three back-to-back trades, bro. Just like that. I was so pissed off after that, bro. I didn't even like uh, do anything else. I just kept staring at the church, and then I decided to look for one last setup, and I'm gonna risk only a little bit of my like you could say balance. And when I saw that USD JPY just forming that nice setup, went in. Yeah, what is your favorite ICT trading model? Mm, OTE, bro. OTE, optimal trade entry, bro. That's my that's like the best setup for me. Though I do not use that often, but yeah, when I started learning ICT, I started from learning the OT setup. He had like almost 20 to 24 videos on OT optimal trade entry patterns. Bro, I came a long way, bro. It's like almost 3 4 years right now. Damn, bro. All right. What do you have? What do you have? All right, chat. Once we see this low, this bitch is gonna go lower, bro. Yeah, that's for sure. We had a bullish S&P right here. Then we had a bearish S&P right here as well. But it was on the 5 minute time frame. That's why I didn't took that trade. I could have taken that trade when I started the stream. Price was right here. I could have taken that trade. It was like 70, but I'm kind of uh, trying to wait for my kind of setup. I don't want to rush it. Whenever I rush my trades, I fucking get chopped. I get chopped, bro. So trying to, yeah, bro, trying to do the correct things. Damn, bro. Bro, that video, to yesterday's video I posted, it got like, damn, bro, it got like 3.2K views within 24 hours. Damn, it's crazy, bro, fucking crazy. All right. Oh, hell, bro. Chat, how many of y'all like took any setup during the learning session? How many of y'all took any setup? Bro, NASA and S&P is just wilding right now. How much further are these gonna go, bro? How much further is this gonna go? Fuck. Look, bro. It's been going up for the last. Damn, bro. It's been going up like from Friday, then Tuesday, Wednesday. Today it's also gonna go up. Damn, bro. Let me just leave it. Right. Alright, chat. We swept the high right there on USD JPY. Alright, we have a bearish SMT right here as well. Damn, what the fuck? No, we didn't have a SMT right here. Alright. Fred, let's see if we can get a sale on USD JPY. What can I put? What can I put, bro? What can I put? Right, right. I'll wait for this 50-minute candle to close. After that, let's see. London wasn't good, bro. What are you saying, bro? London was. I think London did give some nice move. USD JPY. Oh yeah, yeah. My bad. Sorry, my bad, bro. Yeah, it wasn't good. It wasn't very good, bro. It wasn't good. But USD Jaipur, I mean, on pound, it was freaking crazy, bro. Euro just chopped around right here. Look at that move on pound, bro. Damn, bro, 60 points. 60 points during the London session, bro. Bro, fuck. Bro, I don't think pound's probably gonna go higher today because it has already moved like hell a lot, bro. It moved like hell a lot today. Let's see if we can get any bearish confluence. So that will decide. Right now we have one. We have one. Do you see that chat? Right here made higher high. Yeah. But we didn't even fit that low yet. So yeah, I cannot just take the trade based on SMT, bro. I might use that breaker if price swap that low right there. I might use that breaker. Let's see. Oh damn. Mhm. No fucking move. Let's look at the USD chart here. All right, come on now. Mm, okay. Mm, come on, give me a confidence, bro. Come on now. Come on, bro. But he hasn't waited that. Uh, I want to wait for that 15-minute candle to close. Let's see how it closed first. After that, I'll probably enter the trade. One and done, bro. One and fucking done. That's for sure, bro. 2 more minutes, 2 more minutes on the 1 minute time frame. Kinda doing average. Chat, let's see how this candle close, bro. Let's see. And we'll probably target the sell side liquidity on the hourly time frame. There were like so many lows at that time. But let's see. I'm not feeling it, bro. Oh, oh damn, bro. All right. Bro, I never traded like this tie, never had like this tie-dye stops. Uh, 1 more minute. Oh damn. Yeah, I'm not risking much. I'm okay with that. I'm not risking too much on this trade. Alright, alright. No, not bad, bro. Not bad. It's looking good. Oh yeah. Now these are going up. No, you are going up. Shit. Oh fuck. Yeah. Just as I thought, bro. Just as I thought. Now my fucking bad. Share price at least should be close like these lows have that 5 minute low, that 5 minute low. No, these lows are looking good. These are looking good. These are like relative equal lows right here. But let's see. Come on, bro. Damn, it's not looking good, chat. It's not looking good. Fuck. Am I gonna get stopped out because of the slippage? Oh, fuck it, bro. Uh, why it's just messing with us? It's messing with us, bro. Come on, man. Look how much it's consolidating within that area, bro. Yeah, come on, man. It's freezing. Damn, bro. Oh, drinking all this coffee, this last food except it's lost in my not gonna lie, chat. DXI also looking good. DXI also looking good, bro. So we might get a W on this one. Just sweep this low right here. We want to see price sweeping that low. Once it does that, it's gonna just fall like go like crazy, bro. Once it sweeps that low right here, it's gonna like melt. Come on now. Don't do that shit to me, bro. Come on now. Mm, do, 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 do. Right, it's still consolidating within that area, bro. fuck? That's not good for us. That's not good for us. Let's just skip. Oh, hell no, bro. Bitch, look at that candle, bro. Damn, bro. Oh, hell no, bro. Yo, look at that candle, chat. Look at that fucking candle, bro. Damn. Oh, alright. Fuck this, bro. As soon as I fucking look at this shit, yeah, four straight L, bro. Four straight L. We got a L, chat. Or whatever. Bro, what the fuck? Today gonna be a shitty day, chat. Today gonna be a shitty day. I think so, bro. Just look at that shit, bro. DXI didn't even sweep that high, but look at that fucking bitch. It just took our stop, bro. Just took our stop. Just went there to took our stop, bro. Fucking hell, bro. Fuck. Yeah, whatever, chat. Let's just wait for the next one, bro. Until we get our next setup. Let's just wait. Damn, bro. Fuck. Alright. Alright. Now you are gonna go lower. Once, come on, sweep that low. Yeah. Now you are gonna go lower, chat. Yep. It is gonna go lower. Fuck. Why are you stalling right there? Come on. Come on. Let me take this off. So let me do analysis. Yeah. Now that this is gonna go lower. Bro, look at you, bro. Yeah. Oh, damn, bro. Come on now. Chat. It it's funny to say, but I already made my loss back, bro. We already made our loss back. Now, do not say that I went heavy. It's because the pips difference on pips and points. Yeah. All right. Come on. Sweep that high. Sweep that. I'm gonna go break even. Let's see how this candle close first. I do not trust the fact that it can. All right. It swept that low. All right. All right. We have another small variable. Inverse that pitch. Inverse that pitch. Inverse that pitch. Oh, do not stall here, though. Come on now. Oh, damn. Must still hold it. 2 minutes left for candle closure. Is there any news chat? I didn't even check on it, bro. All right, we have one news at 10 a.m. Is it at 10 a.m.? No, it's at 10 p.m. All right. Oh yeah, 10 a.m. Sorry. My bad, chat, my bad. We have a news. It's medium effect news for dollar index, bro. So yeah, let's see how it goes. All right, chat. We took some partials right now. I took some partials, chat. Ah, yeah. I took that partial because chat. Well, we lost the previous trade, so we need to make back that loss. So that's why I took some partials. I have one contract left. All right, it seems nice, bro. It seems nice. Come on, inverse that. If we close within that uh, fair value gap, that is gonna be a like nice move, bro. We have like 25 seconds left. So let's see how this which plays out, bro. Let's fucking go. So we need 180, need 180. Come on, come on. Alright, we little bit close to the once DXY with that high chat, I'm gonna keep holding on to that trade. But I wanna see DXY with that high so that there's sync in both of them. Yeah, there you go, there we go, there we go. Come on, there we go, bitch. Oh damn, bro. All right. Oh, how much did you capture? Ah, fuck, it's 9 pips only, bro. It's only 9 pips. All right, price perfectly closed within that 4 hours in PCU right there. Let's see, chat. Let's see. Did anyone took this trade, chat? Anyone took this trade? Chat. Have you all taken this trade? Anyone? If you did, put it on the chat. Not bad, not bad. Too bad, too bad. Alright. Oh damn! Look at the push, bro. Look at the push. Fuck. No, bitch. Come on and say that I do not know how to trade. Come on now. Fucking bullshit. I'm trading every day live in front of you all, and some dogs are gonna come into the chat and at the very end of the stream and gonna say blah 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 blah. Fuck you, bro. Fuck you. Let's fucking go. Yeah. It's about to see that what's it say? What is that low? That 4 hour low right there. Let's look at DX. All right, DX are about to see that high. Check. You're not gonna find any like good condition rather than that, bro. Once DXY is with that high right there, that high, there's gonna be sync in both of them. What does it mean? It means that DXY has shifted its trend and it's gonna go higher. That means we're gonna see GU melt more, bro. All right, we're gonna inverse that. We're about to inverse that cleanly. We might get another tap into that 5 minute fair value gap you see, but the what I'm expecting to see on pound is that we straight go to that low, then we take the pullback and then we go down. That's what I want to see. We could tap into that then fall, but the best scenario would be that we first take out that low so that retail traders gonna think that price now gonna reverse and go upside. So they're gonna write until price tap into the 50%, and then the real move's gonna happen. Price gonna go down. Let's see, bro. Let's see. Still can't say anything. All right, not bad, not bad, not bad. Mm, which is super low. All right. All right. The extra didn't switch that high chat. Now that's not good. Now that's not fucking good for us. I'm gonna close the trade, bro. Mm. All right. We closed our entire position chat. All right. Why I did that? Let me explain. Let me explain, chat, why I did that. So we have a S&P right now. If you can see it, that the DXY didn't strip that high, but uh, pound stripped that low right there. Also, look at euro. Euro didn't even sweep that high right there, but DXY swept that high, that low. Sorry, fuck bro. DXY swept that high, but look at euro. Euro didn't sweep that low. So that's why I closed the rate. But let's see. I'm not ready to bro. I'm not the guy who's gonna held on to a losing trade. But let's see, let's see, let's fucking see. Mm, 4 points. One of these two needs to make a uh, what they say, bullish S&P. We already have a bullish S&P, but that's on the 5 minute time frame. All right, look at that. The 50-minute candle respecting that 4 hour. Damn, bro. I think that's 1 hour. Yeah, that 1 hour BC right there, bullish fair value gap. Price is respecting that right there on the 50-minute time frame. And we also have a S&P, bullish S&P. Let's see. Let's see if it wants to go higher or lower. Let's fucking see. But I'm gonna trade euro. That's a stronger one. If one of these goes up, what the fuck, bro? I just you have your own opinion on that chat, bro. I don't mind, but I already showed my USD JPY trade. Go and check out my Discord. If I see price is not respecting my levels, and once I think that price not gonna go there, why should I stick to that trade? Why should I wait for it to stop me out? That's not my cup of tea, bro. You can say whatever you want, bro. Not everyone trade the same style. Right? We do not have any bearish S&P. Now, if both of these goes down, I don't even give a fuck. Now I want to look for a bullish uh setup, bro. Yeah, I want to look for bullish setups. All right, let's see. You could have your own strategy. I have my own strategy. So there's nothing to say anything about that, bro. I have my own strategy. You have your own different opinion. And if you're learning ICT for a very long time, you know what I tried to say here. If I already told you, I would have held on to that trade if the XY sweeps that high. But what do you see right here? Do you see the XY swept that high? It didn't. It didn't, and it took that pullback. That's why I'm out, bro. Mm, Give me something bullish. Come on. Hmm. All right. By the way, chat, make sure to check out Finity Funding. They are giving a 30% discount for Christmas. So that'd be like maybe 55 bucks for a 10K. Yeah, something like that. Boom, boom. Oh, Chad, what I wanna see right now, that uh, either euro or pound, one of them should make a higher low. That's what I wanna see. I wanna see one of them make a higher low. Let's see if we can get that. The one I'm expecting that is pound. On pound, I'm expecting a higher low. Bro. Wow. Hmm. Bro, look at this shit, bro. Fuck. We have a bearish SMT on the higher time frame and we just broke structure on USD JPY. I think that's the high of the day. Let's see. I want to wait more, bro. one L, one W. So we are kind of still right around break even, a little bit above break even, but let's see. Let's just wait for the cleaner setup, bro. All right, all right. Let's see. Let's see if we want to go higher. Bro, come on, man. Just make a lower low. Just make a lower low. Come on, bro. All right, we 8:30 just right now. I want to see how we react from the 8:30 price. 8:30 open. Mm, I'm from Morse. I'm from Morse chat. I'm not gonna say anything, bro. I'm not gonna say anything. It's up to you. It's up to you. And it's not even my first stream. It's not even my fucking first stream chat. Whatever, bro. Right. If both of them make lower low, bro, then I'll probably not gonna trade uh euro and pound. I'm not gonna trade pound and GBP. If both of them make a lower low. I wanna see one of them make a lower low, but the other one make a higher low. So that's what I wanna see. No, just because of that, if you say forget it, bro, forget it. All right, 11 minutes left for the candle closure. Now, once price inverts this high right here, it's gonna go up, bro. It's gonna go up. That's what I think. Yeah, because if you look at price closely, this whole imbalance right here was filled with this move right here. So there's nothing to fill in. So if price is pulling up to that level, what does it mean? It means that it's gonna go higher, right? It's going for some drawn liquidity on the higher time frame or such like that. So I want to see something like that on the 5 minute time frame. Once we broke that high, then probably we're gonna go up, and we could use the second down close candle as a propulsion order block. I'll see. We'll see, bro. We'll see that. Uh, we didn't make a lower high yet, lower low yet. Come on, just make a lower low. Come on, just create the fucking lower low. Mm, are we gonna have that or not? We gonna have it or not? Oh. But one more thing, chat. We already have a bullish S&P right here on euro, and also on GBP. Yeah, also on GBP we have a bullish S&P. So there could be some upside delivery. I just wait for it. I'm not taking any sales right now. Hell no, bro. Not gonna take any sales. Right. This candle is a significant candle right here. That candle is a significant candle, chat. Look at the reaction. Look at the reaction of the candle. Come on, give me some push. Give me some push. Come on. Oh. Chat, did you guys saw TGL losing another $150,000? Bro, he's down very bad, bro. He's down so bad. All right, now if we go up, let's see. Please, bro, please, come on, go up. Bro, just join the free Discord. Check the description of this live stream. You can find that. There is a link of our free Discord. All right, we invalidated that. But let's see if we can form that higher high. Fuck, bro, I kept saying higher highs, higher lows, bro. Fuck. It's higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. Yeah. Fuck, bro. Oh damn. Now DXI took out that high. Fuck. Yeah, bitch. Now you go, bitch. Such a pussy, DXI. DXI is such a pussy, bro. Oh. Explain order block. Bro, to be honest, I do not use order block that much. The only thing I use is fair value gap. Yeah, that's it, bro. I can tell you one thing. The order blocks gonna work nicely if there's an imbalance. Let me show you one example. And there needs to be a sweep of liquidity. There needs to be a market structure break, and then there needs to be an imbalance, right? So let me just go on a 5 minute time frame and give you an example. Where? Yeah, we have imbalance right here. Need a clean out of that. Yeah, we kind of have one right there. Now that's not clean. All right, let's just use this one. So yeah, look at this one right here. So market structure break, sweep of liquidity. Let me show you. Sweep of liquidity right here. Then we broke the structure right here. Then market came back into that, and we also had an imbalance right there. You see that imbalance? That buy side imbalance right there. Fuck, buy side. What this? Buy side inefficiency, sell side imbalance. Fuck, bro. I can whatever. Just the bullish fair value gap, right? The bullish fair value gap. So there was fair value gap, sweep of liquidity, market structure break, and imbalance. And when price tapped into that, it shoot up. And we also have had another one right there. That's an propulsion order block. That right there is a propulsion order block. Now, what is propulsion order block? It's that uh, you have a order block right here. So when price uh, tapped into that order block and created another order block, that's gonna be a propulsion order block. What does it mean? How can you use that? You want to see price doesn't violate the 50% of that candle. So if you look closely, there's no body. There's no body on the 50% of that propulsion order block. Is there any body? There's sudden reaction of that candle. So that's the job for propulsion order block. Yeah, that's it, bro. That's just simple analysis. If you want to get more deeper into that, go on ICT's channel. Fuck, bro. Fuck. Now there's no use of this one. Fuck it, bro. I do not regret I closed the trade, chat. I do not fucking regret I closed the trade. If I don't stick to my own analysis, then what type of trader am I, bro? If I don't even stick to my own analysis, I'm not a good trader even. And I'm not taking anyone else's word, bro. I'm gonna do what I'm gonna do, bro. Yeah, that's it. Oh shit. Mm, where imbalance right here. I'm gonna leave today, bro. I mean, I'm gonna leave the rest to y'all chat. I'm not gonna take any short position, bro. I'm not. Oh damn! Look at Nas. This bitch is gonna go higher. That's for sure, bro. Mhm. I think this low could be shut. I think price could sweep that low right there, then go higher. Let's see. Bro, these are just gripping right now. Yeah. DXY was such a beach today. It was a beach. Dollar index played like a beach today, bro. Fucked us. Totally fucked us, bro. Yeah, fuck. Now I'm a bitch. Now I'm a fucking bitch, bro. Why we didn't add? Did we had any politicization too? Mm, I didn't sweep these lows right here. Parker, bro, made the S&T right here. Right, I think now it's gonna go higher. Yeah, now price will go higher on USD JPY. There's alright, let me give you another example. The one you're gonna pick for order block is the one that cut deep. I mean dug deep. The what's the most lowest down close candle right here? That one. You see the wick? That one is the lowest one within this swing low right here. This swing low right here is the lowest one. So you're gonna use that one. In threshold, boom, boom, bro. Oh damn. Yeah. 35 pips. Chat, I'm not taking the trade. I'm just counting the pips. Do not say that I'm taking the trade. Do not say it, bro. That's like 2.5 hours. Not that much. Not that much. Oh, fuck, bro. Oh. Mhm. Is that a baker? It's not a baker. There's nothing on the 5 minute time frame. On the 15 minute. Yeah, if you Jeff, you are gonna continue going higher, it's not gonna take any pullback chair. It's not. I'll probably gonna pick the high on pound tomorrow. Make uh, yeah, I'll try for that, bro, for sure. If that bitch gonna continue lower up to these lows right here, these lows from that point, I'm gonna pick the high of that day tomorrow, not week, the high of the day. I'll try my best to pick the high of the day and gonna pass my account tomorrow, bro. So that would put me to at least to yeah 133 pips. I can pass the account with one contract. Yeah, I'll try my fucking best, bro. I'm gonna put everything in it. Damn, bro. Check. Give a thumbs up to the stream, and yeah, sub up if you're new here. Sub up, bro. Let's hit 70K, bro. Sub up. Come on, bro. Sub up, sub up. And guys, make sure to join the free Discord server. There's a link in the description. So yeah, go check it out. It's totally free. If you want, you can check that out. Not bad, not bad, bro. Mm, and yeah, there was another order block right here. One more order block right here, bro. Fuck. How much point is that? Not that much. All right, we swapped that low right here. That low. Now we can expect to get a pullback into this one. That bearish fair value gap right there, we can expect a pullback into that, and if we're still bearish, then probably it's gonna keep going down. That's the analysis, bro. Mm, hmm, fuck. Yeah, that fair value gap is also on the 15-minute time frame. Damn, bro. Did anyone took the short trade, chat? Any of you are in the trade right now? How many of you took short today, chat? Bro, after shampooing the hairs, bro, it just get messy, bro. And I'm trying to get some long hairs, chat. That's why I'm not going to my barber. Oh, look at that, bro. Fuck. Do not regret. Do not regret. Fuck. Do not regret. Yeah, do not regretting. I want to see the 9:30 manipulation though, bro. There's like almost 40 minutes left for the manipulation. Bro, do not tell me to open up the gold chart, bro. I fucking hate gold, bro. You can look for other traders who trading gold, bro. That's not my cup of tea, bro. I do not trade that, so I don't know, bro. I cannot say anything about that to you. Fuck. What the fuck, bro? Like, what the fuck are you trying to do, bro? What? I'll keep my eyes on both of you. I'll keep my eyes on both of you, bitch. Yeah. I'll look for longs on USD JPY and shorts on Europe. Let's see which one gives us the setup. Stay on it, chat. Give me 2 or 3 minutes break. Damn, bro. G move like hell a lot, bro. Whatever. Whatever, chat. Whatever, whatever, whatever. Now you go. Now you will go down, right? JPY, alright, JPY gave us a tap. Alright, chat, JPY did gave us a tap into that. Let's see how it reacts off of that. Alright, I think I'm gonna take a long on there. I'm kind of confused about that, bro. Let's see the 1 minute time frame. Could be a reversal though. Well, I just wait for price to go above these highs right here. These consecutive down close candles. Let's just wait for price to go above that. Then we might take a right. Yeah. All right, we opened the new 4 hour candle right now. Right there, we opened the new 4 hour candle. Yep. Let's see. Come on, go above that. Go above that. Yeah, right. So right around there. If I get stopped out on this, I'm done for the day, chat. I have news at 10 a.m. and medium impact news. Yeah, the 1 minute candle doesn't look good, bro. Fuck. 15-minute time frame looks a bit choppy, but let's see. Let's see. Not bad. Let's target these highs right here. I also have these Asian sessions equal low, equal highs right here as well. What do we have? What else do we have? We have these highs. These are that's our Asian sessions high. Let's see. All right, all right, not bad, not bad. I'm gonna like uh what can you say like we just open the 4 hour candle, so I'm thinking about it could be a manipulation to upside, but let's see. Everything's indicating higher prices. Let's see though. Let's see. All right, we closed on that candle perfectly, bro. Look at that, bro. We closed on that candle just too perfectly, bro. Now that's not random though. That's not random, right? Yeah. Once we sweep that high by here, these highs, then I think we're gonna see some big candles. Once we go above that level, then we might see some big candle pushing to upside. Let's just see. And once we sweep that high right there, I'm gonna move my stop loss below that down close candle. Let's see. Let's see. We are taking support of a 1 minute breaker there. You could say that those are some order blocks. These 4 consecutive down close candles, you could use them as order block, and also you could use that this up close candle as a breaker. So let's see if price goes above that. Let's see. But it's 9:06. We have 24 minutes left for indices to market to open. Euro still bearish. What the fuck just happened? What the fuck just happened, chat? Bro, there was no news, bro. What the fuck just happened on indices? Chat. What the fuck just happened on indices, chat? Bro, are you kidding me right now? Are you fucking kidding me, bro? What the fuck? Why price move like that, bro? Was there any speech? Did Trump said anything else, chat? Damn, bro. Fuck, bro. Fuck that shit, bro. Alright, we swept the high, chat. We swept the high, so let's see. I told you once we sweep that high, we're gonna see big candle. There we go. There we go, bro. There we go. We already up like 1 hour on this bit. How much are we up? Right, not bad. Chat, we up like 130 bucks right now. 130 bucks. I'm gonna get out when you hit that high, bro. I'll be down for the day. Yeah. I'll show you the executions, right? I'll show you the fucking executions. That's a 2 hour trade right there. Yeah, almost like 2 hours. I'm not gonna target. All right, I'm moving my stop loss below that 5 minute down close candle. So we're risking half of what we were risking when we got into that trade. So right now it's all right. Now fuckers say that I don't know how to trade. Where are those fucking haters, bro? Now which say that I don't know how to trade. Come on. I told you when you see that high right there, we're gonna shoot up. There we go. There we fucking go, bro. Bitch. Come on, give me that. Give me that. I'm gonna be down for the day, bro. I'll be down for the day. Give me that fucking. Come on now. Come on. Come on. Come on. Where is the balloon, bro? Where's the fucking balloon? Oh, let us put a magnet there. Let us put a fucking magnet there. Yeah, this candle should. Bro, I'm a fucking genius, bro. I'm saying too much. There, bro, what is the fucking magnet, bro? All right, there you go. There you go, bitch. Uh, let's just make it big. The more big it is, the more contraction there would be, bro. Come on. Now that's a big magnet there. So price should go up there, right? That's the fucking big magnet, bro. Come on, JPY. Come on. Come on. Come on now. Come on. Come on. Uh, also, do you guys see that? That high is the London session's high, bro. That high is the high of the London session. So yeah, we could go more up, but I do not want to like sit around and watch the chart going up there, bro. I want to be down for the day, bro. Just more like how many pips? Just like more 10 pips right there. Just five handles, bro. Come on now, give me that push. Give me the fucking push, bro. Come on. Why are you bitching right now? It's fucking bitching right now. Let's go. Come on, Magnet. What's your work here? What's your fucking work here? Come on. Come on. Full price. Full price. Come on. Pull the price. Come on now. Pull the fucking price. Come on. There you go. There you go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, Magnet. Should I hold this upside down, bro? No. If I do that, price gonna go down. Come on now. Yeah, just a little bit. Just there you go. There you go. There we go. There we fucking go. Come on now. Chat, give a thumbs up to the stream, and yeah, if you're new here, sub up. And also, chat, go check out Finity Funding, bro. They're giving like 30% off for Christmas, bro. So you can get like a 10K eval for almost like 50 bucks. So yeah, make sure you go and check that out. Bro, don't do that shit, bro. Come on, bro. Bro, look at DXY. DXY is pushing like crazy, but why the fuck USD JPY not going higher, bro? Come on, bro. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come, 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 bitch. Oh, bro, that's working, bro. Come on. Damn, that's working, chat. That's working. That's fucking working. Yeah, we're close. We're close. We're close. So close. Yeah, yeah, there we go, there we go, there we go. Come on. Bro, don't tease me right now. Come on, bro. Why the fuck are you teasing me, bro? Come on. There you go. Push, 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 push. Damn, bro. Yeah, fucking go. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. Come on, bitch. Let me show you all. Let me show the execution. Come on, bitch. Oh, I have. Do you see that fucking? Do you see that? I don't know if you can see that or not. And that's on funding pips account. You see that? Oh, is there anything? No. Do you see that? Let's go, bro. Come on now. Come on. Yeah, we up. We up 200 bucks for the day on the 10K account. Damn, bro. Bro, that magnet shit does work, bro. That magnet does work, chat. That fucking magnet does work, bro. That magnet shit does work. Damn, bro. Damn. Chat, put some fucking W's, bro. How they do that? Put some fucking W's. Put some fucking W's in the chat, and yeah, if you're new here, sub up right now. We're doing live every fucking single day, bro. So yeah, chat. That's how we do it, bro. We did cut a trade very early on a pound, but the thing with me is that if I see price, if I see anything on the while I'm on a trade that's indicating price might gonna take any some deeper retracement or whatever shit. Like I know my strategy, right? I know my model, what I trade, and I've been trading that strategy almost for 3 years right now. So when I see that, I'm not gonna sit there and uh, see the fucking candles go to my stop, right? I'm gonna go out. I'm gonna get out of the trade, bro. That's the shit. So if you want to say that I'm impulsive about that, you can say it, bro. But yeah, bro, here I'm doing it in front of you all. Uh, Yesterday we did that same thing. Today we did that same thing, and we'll be doing that every time we will do the live. Yeah, there will be days when we take some losses. I think uh, since we've been doing live almost for 2 months, I guess. Within these 2 months, I think during the live we took like there was like 3 to 4 days that we took some L's, right? So yeah, bro, I'm not gonna say anything, bro. Yeah, I leave the rest to y'all, bro. That's it. Motion, yeah. Damn, bro. Come on, give me a dab, bro. Come on, give me a dab. That's where you make the fucking money, bro. Come on, I just gave like uh 4 signals today. One on my Discord, free server. You can join that. If you go right now, let me show you all. Let me show you all the proofs, bro. Then say anything, any fucking thing you want to say. So if you go to the Discord server and go to the daily chores update, look at this shit. Do you see that? Do you fucking see that, chat? I told them to look at USD JPY, and then I told them to look for some bearish SMT on the hourly time frame. Though we didn't, we had a 1 hour SMT, but it took long. But there was a 50-minute SMT. As soon as I say that, and then I told them if we don't see anything like that, no trades towards downside. But we got that SMT, and then I gave another message at what time it was 3 3:14 a.m. I told them you all have your eyes on JPY, and then I gave my fucking execution. Look at that. I gave my fucking execution. So I'm not hiding anything, bro. If I already blew 250K accounts with periodic funding. I told you all, bro. I have nothing to hide from you all. That's it. You're not gonna pay my rent, bro. None of you gonna pay my rent. Why should I hide anything from you all? If I make money, I'm gonna say that. If I lose money, I'm gonna say that. And I'm doing this shit while I'm live, bro. So yeah, the rest is up to you, bro. Rest is up to you. I'm not gonna brag any shit, bro. I'm not gonna brag any shit. So yeah, bro. Bro, today was a stressful session, bro. I was worried about, but I told you as soon as we sweep that high right there, that high, not that high. I told you everything. Let me show you all my execution, the perfect fucking execution. I told you once we close above that, let me show you all. These four consecutive candles, there is the high probability that we're gonna go up, right? But I got into the trade a little bit early on that candle, that down close candle. So I went through a little bit drawdown, not much. I think it was around 20 to 30 bucks. And then I told you, as soon as we sweep that high right there, price gonna shoot up. And the rest is in front of you all, bro. You could see the rest. We we literally like captured like almost 16 pips within how much? How long? Within how long? One, two, three. Within 15 minutes, we captured like almost 16 points, bro. Yeah, bro. The breaker entry was too clean, and I told that even before I got into that trade. We were like counter trading the London session. Though the London session we were bearish, chat. I really wanted to see these lows being swept, but yeah, I told you the uh, day trading, those who day trade intraday, like the shit with them is that you cannot always like trade on the hourly time frame or 4 hour time frame. And that being said, I'm doing the live stream. You're not gonna sit here and watch me trading a 4 hour chart, bro. So I'm trading a 5 minute time frame. I have to get in sync with the trend. So if price is going down, I'll probably gonna look for bearish prices. If price is going up, I'm gonna be looking for bullish setups. That's how it is, bro. No worries, brother. No worries. We doing live every day, bro. No worries, bro. We waited for Euro to give us entry into that fog, bro. We got played on Euro and Pound today, bro. I was such a pussy, bro. Today I closed the fucking trade right around here on GU trade, bro. Fuck. We took trade right here and we fucking closed that trade when price started to pull back, bro. Fuck, bro. That was like, oh damn, bro. That was like 6 hour trade, bro. Bro, fuck. That was like a sixer, but whatever, chat. Oh, you should not regret for anything, right? In trading, it's not allowed to have any emotions, bro. But bro, I'm not trading for decades right now. When I'm gonna be trading for decades, then at that time probably I'm not gonna have any emotions while I'm gonna trade. But those who have no emotions while trading, they are the guy, bro. They are the guy who gonna succeed in this shit, bro. Trust me, because I was worried that price gonna take my stop, right? And there was a reason. There was a reason behind that. I got out. I did book some partials right around that low, but started to pull back. I got out. And look at that shit. So a normal person like me is gonna regret that shit. What is not allowed to do, bro. So yeah, still working on that emotion or psychological part, bro. But yeah, we all have like very nice strategies, chat. You also have a good strategy. I also have a good strategy. The problem is that our mind, bro. It's our mind. We don't have that mentality yet. Like if we can get filled in a trade, get pissed off. If we miss our take profit by 1 or 2 pips, we get out soon. We think that price is gonna reverse from there. So these things are like causing us to not being profitable, you could say. But yeah, eventually we will get there, bro. Just I'm not fucking gonna quit this shit, bro. I'm not, bro. Trust me. In my life, well, whenever I promised anything to myself, I fucking did everything. I did everything to get there. If you talk about studying, if I talk about university or even my high schools, bro, I did everything to get to my goals when I was like studying there. And yeah, apart from that, if you take the part of YouTube, I've been making content almost for 7 years. It's been 1, 2, 3, 5, 7 years, bro. It's been 7 years I've been doing content on YouTube, but you see, it took me almost 5 years to get to like a decent audience, I would say. And right now, I'm like more like a balanced person in life. I have a balanced life right now. I can do whatever shit I want. I'm making content that you guys enjoy. I'm trading with you all. I can pass my time with you all. There's no stress apart from, well, I'm in a trade and no one's telling me to do any shit, bro. So 6 months, I think, yeah, it's now 5 months. 5 months ago, I quit my last job and I'm doing all this shit full time, bro. So yeah, bro, keep on doing what do you want to achieve, bro? Just do not quit, bro. If you quit, you're not gonna get there. You just this close to your goal. You could be this close to your goal, but at from that point you thought about quitting, bro. So you're not gonna reach there. Maybe you're this close. So work your ass off, bro. Work your ass off. You don't even gonna know when you reach there. So keep fucking working, bro. Keep fucking grinding. So that you can tell your grandchildren's that your story, bro. Bro, I'm gonna tell my story to my grandkids, bro. That's for sure, bro. If I live that long, yeah. If I live that long, I'm gonna tell my story to my children. You may say this is cringe, but bro, there is this like pull into this story, bro. Like I wanna share this with my children, bro. In future, I'm gonna say them what I did for to get here, and even with my grandson, or you could say granddaughter, bro. I'm being too like, alright, chat. Enough talk. Let's see. Fuck, bro. I'm just surprised how Nas moved like almost 50 points right there, bro. What the fuck just happened, bro? There was nothing, bro. Yeah, I think price could take some pullback, bro. Yeah, these lows have my attention, bro. These lows have my attention. So let's see. I'm not gonna trade for today, chat. I'm down for the day, but I enjoy being with you all, bro. That's the shit, bro. I enjoy being with you all, talking to you, and yeah, bro. I enjoy it. I enjoy doing content, speaking with you all. Because once I end the stream, I'm gonna be making my meals, and then and probably not gonna do any shit, bro. Probably after that, gonna have something and create some content. So yeah, this is my only time. Right now, I do not even go outside. Trust me, I do not even go outside from my room. The only time I go outside just to the market to get grocery and anything else that I need. So yeah, bro, what the fuck, bro? Why is this bitches keep on moving higher, bro? Thanks, brother. Thanks, Motion. Thanks. And yeah, I appreciate you all for pulling up to the chat. I really appreciate you all for pulling up. Oh, fucking hell, no, bro. Oh, we have a news at 10 a.m. Yeah. I think there's not going to be any impact for that news. Oh, damn, bro. Bro, what the fuck, bro? What the actual fuck? How much higher is it gonna go? Fuck, bitch. Fuck. Now we're gonna use this way here. Alright. Alright. Damn, bro. Suburb, chat, suburb. Yeah, and give a thumbs up to the stream, bro. Today's stream was a W, bro. Today's stream was a W. We did good. We did good. We did good, bro. We did fucking great. Not good. Great, bro. We did great. So far today we up. Bro. Not gonna fucking trade anymore today for the day. Let's see. Watch NZD USD. NZD USD. Bro, I do not I stopped trading that shit, bro. What do you expect me to say about this one? What can I say? What can I say? Let's see. All right, it's in discount right now. So if you expect price to go lower, now is the time. Now is the time. So probably that's gonna be the high of the week. You wanna look for sales within this range, within this bearish fair value gap. So look if you can get something. But right now it's not time. It's not the time, bro. Also compare Aussie with NZD USD. When you're gonna take the trade, make sure to compare both of them. Because uh, if you don't do that, then probably you're gonna mess up. Oh fucking god, bro! What the fuck? Look at these candles, bro. 1 hour long from bottom. You long? You long that shit, bro? Let's look at Aussie. I mean, you could have your analysis, bro, but why didn't you take the long on Aussie, bro? Yeah, why didn't you take the long on Aussie? You should have taken the long on Aussie because uh, if you're trying to go long, then Aussie is the stronger one. You could see already it inverse that one right there. It inverse this bearish fair value gap right here. Also, let me show you all. Yeah. Also, it's working within an old fair value gap right here. And look at the tab. Look at the tab right there. And last thing, you have SMT right now. You have a fucking SMT right here. So Aussie is the stronger one. Why are you? All right. If you have your analysis done, bro, then great. Oh damn, bro, bro, look at the fucking projection, bro. That negative 2.5 projection on NAS. Look at that, bro. How much do you risk on faces? Usually, like when I'm trading like 2 hour trade, when I'm targeting like 1:2 hour, then probably I'm gonna risk 2%. I'm gonna risk 2% at the time. And if I'm risky 1%, sorry, if I have a trade that could get me a 6 or 10 hour, now that might be a lot for you, but usually I when I trade hourly time frame, I try to get like uh, whenever I am able to pick the high or the low of the week, then I'm probably gonna take a 6 to 8 hour trade, at least 5 hour trade. So that time I'm gonna be risking like 1%. So that trade is gonna put me to 5% on the account, right? That's how I trade usually. So but for your I think 2% is a decent amount. 2% is a decent amount. But if you are like too worried about the risk, you can like risk 1.5%, but keep it under 2%. That's it. Target target like 1:2 every time. Whenever you're trading, target 1:2. Take two trades, one during London session, one during New York session. So if you lose both of them, you're gonna be down like 2% or 3%. And the next day, if you lost again to 2L, then I have to say, brother, you don't know how to trade. Like you're taking trades impulsively. Do your analysis point to point, bro. Then take your trade. Once you're done, do the execution. And you're gonna see if you stick to your analysis, you're gonna pass the account right away, bro. Maybe it's gonna take you like 6 to 8 sessions. You're gonna pass the account. Bro, do you know how to use 360? No, what the fuck is that even? What the fuck is that, bro? Bro, these guys giving names to some shits and you guys being lured into it, bro. They're luring you, bro. Fuck. Now, if I say something, their followers gonna kick my ass, bro. I must stay out of it, bro. All right, let's see. TJR might be using this one right now, bro. I'm sure, bro. I'm fucking sure. TJR is using this inversion fair value gap right now. I'm damn sure, bro. He just fucking marries his trend, bro. He just fucking marries his trend. Every time he like stick to his bias, if he's bearish, he's only gonna take sales, bro. I've never seen him like when the market is showing it's bullish, bro, but he fucking keep taking on sales and sales, bro. Bro, how to understand time, bro? Let me give you what I've learned within these 5 years. Just 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 know this. So I've traded like almost more than. All right, all right, all right. Let me show you all. I have something. Yeah, bro. My journal trade concept node is too funny, bro. Do you see that? It's too small. So there's almost how many concept, bro? And it's 5 years old. You could see by the color and by the condition, bro. Let me tell you something. How many setups I have? One, two, then three, four, five, six. Then what do we have? Six, 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 seven, yeah, eight, nine, 10, 11. Fucking ATM method, bro. I even use the ATM method. I don't even know what is that right now. And then 3 day look back. 12, 12, 13, 4, 4, no, 14, 14. Is it 14? No, not 14, 13. So there's almost like 13 entry strategy right on this notepad. On this notepad, I only had like entry strategies. So that the thing I'm trying to say is that do whatever you want to do, bro. As long as you don't put your own time into the charts and try to figure out what's happening on the charts, you're not gonna find your setup, bro. Trust me on that. There's not even a single person who watched ICT's content more than me. There was like a day when I was just kept watching his content almost for 6 to 7 hours, bro. I was even eating and was watching his content. So I've watched all of his concept, and whatever new he used to bring on the table, I used to pick that up. I used to do that. But I did that almost for a year and a half. I was not even close to what I'm right now. I didn't even find uh, like any profitability or whatever shit you want to say. But the thing that uh, made me able to find my own strategy was that I did journaling every day, every single day straight for 19 weeks. 19 weeks. So almost like 100 days I did journaling, bro. Almost for 100 days I did journaling. After that, I started to see something by my own. And that time I found my own strategy. It doesn't even includes any order blocks. It doesn't even includes any macro or whatever shit you want to say. I'm saying that on my perspective. There could be people who use macro or whatever shit. If you're making money with anything, yeah, you're good, brother. But for me, I'm telling you my own experience, bro. I'm being totally honest with you all right now. So that shit took me from not being able to find a good strategy to be able to know why price is moving, why there is such a move. I can at least tell you that right now. So do your journaling, keep any concept, take any concept you want to take, just master it. Do not just jump from one concept to another. That's it. If you have proof, keep on learning it, bro. Bro, Romeo and Trader, they caught top and bottoms. How they know time? I cannot tell you how they caught the top and bottom. I know how they did it, but I'm not gonna tell you that, bro. Brother, are you from India, bro? No, no, I'm not from India, brother. Yo, bro, did you saw my GBP trade? I also did pick the top, bro. The top of a daily candle. So there's nothing special about it. If you know your model, they know their strategy or model, whatever you want to say. And I have an answer for that, how they were able to pick the top and bottom, but I leave it to you to figure out. If you can figure that out, then great, brother. Then there you go. All right, chat. Do you have any SMT rate? Oh fuck, bro. Look at ES, bro. Look at SMP, bro. Which country you belong to, bro? Bro, I cannot say that right now, bro. I'm only gonna say that for when I bring ICT on this channel, bro. And you don't even need to know where I'm from, brother. You don't even need to know where I'm from. I- If anything helps you that I'm doing right now, that I'm putting on my channel, then that's it, bro. Time, the actual reason. It could be, bro. It could be. I'm not saying that it cannot, but I do not trade macro, and I only trade, look for setups inside of those skill zones. So ICT already, ICT already like when first he introduced the kill zones. So from that very time, I'm using those kill zones. I do not trade anything outside of that, or if I'm trading forex pairs. But on uh, yeah, there is some specific times where you can expect something like 8:30, 9:30. These are the like specific times when you can expect something. But I do not know anything. I do not have any answer for the London session, whether when the high exactly gonna form, and then when the low exactly gonna form during the London close. Because there was some days like when we started streaming, we saw that price created the low of the day outside of those London close kill zones. So they traded far beyond those kill zones. So I do not have that answers, but I only look for my look for setups inside of those kill zones. If I don't see any setup, I'm not trading. That's how easy it is, bro. How they get to know, bro? Spend enough time, then you're gonna know it, bro. You're gonna know it. All right, now it's starting to move. But brother, fucking, what the fuck? Da, 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 da. Na, na, da, na, na, da, na, na, da, 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 na. How was the session for y'all, chat? How was the session? How was the session for y'all? For them? It looks nice. All right. What the fuck? Brother. Fuck, bro. What the fuck? All right. Chat, Nest could go down, bro. Nest could go down from there. We inverse that. We tap into the consequent encroachment of this candle right here, this wick right here. Or you could use a fair value gap. Let me show you. You could use this range right here, uh, halfway of the downside wick and of that upside wick, half of that. That makes a fair value gap, like wicks or gap. You always. All right, the target would be like chat. If it starts to go down, and this could be the target. But probably price could take out these lows. I'm not into this trade chat. I'm just doing the analysis. I'm not taking the trade, brother. Hell no, bro. I'm not. But I think I'm done for the day, chat. All right, chat. Thanks for pulling up, y'all. I appreciate that. And I'll see you guys tomorrow at the same time, 7 a.m. EST. And yeah, hope you did good in today's session, bro. Today was a W. So yeah, brother, are you pattern trading ICT concept with just sudden reaction? Are you asking me, brother? If you're asking me, I have so many confluence, bro. I have, let me confess something. I have one thing that your GUC then they doesn't even have. So everybody has their own secret, bro. So I have one secret of mine. That's it, brother. Now, if someone tells me that I'm acting smart, you can, brother. You can. I'm not showing that off right here. That's not even the charts right now. I have another charts. Now that's not time based. Keep in mind that that's not time based. Bro, just do your shit, bro. Take a concept. Do not get into this loophole of learning the perfect trading strategy. Don't get into that loophole. Take something. Take one or two strategy. One strategy. Take just one strategy. If you're trading ICT, take one ICT strategy. Keep on working on that every session. Look for setups in with that strategy only. Do not look for anything else. If you're gonna use fair value gaps, do not even fucking care about the order blocks, inversion fair value gaps, anything. If you're only gonna trade the fair value gaps, then if you're only gonna target the session lows, session highs, do that. Just keep on trading that strategy until you like you master that shit. That's my advice for you. Bro, I told you, bro. Everything I told you, bro. You have your opinion, I have my opinion. I put my opinion just. You could say that time based. For me, that's not time based. For me, that's not time based. I'm not saying that you're wrong. For me, I have I know my strategy. I do not want to get involved into like uh, those time-based concepts. I'm doing fine with my own strategy. So why do I need to like confuse my mind, bro? I'm gonna mess up my mind if I like jump from one concept to another right now. If I if I like add one more thing to my concept right now or strategy, then I'm gonna fuck up, bro. Yeah, bro. You could say, bro, I'm telling I'm not a macro trader, bro. Without time, no one is trading without time. The time is that we trade within the kill zones. We expect something to happen within the kill zones. I'm not saying that I do not. I whenever I see I am trading as soon as the markets open. That's not the like correct order to say it, bro. You're saying it wrong, bro. You're saying that wrong, bro. You're saying it totally wrong. I'm saying that when I have something, I'm gonna fucking enter the trade. I expect London to create the high, New York to take New York for continuation, London close to create the high of the day, or maybe low of the day. That could happen. These are the trading that I use, not anything else, bro. Now you could say price move up at that time at these times, whatever shit, bro. I use these times only. So I leave it rest. I leave the rest to y'all, bro. All right, look at that Nas, bro. Nas doing good. I think Nas could not go down there. Yeah, yeah, brother. That's what I'm saying, bro. TSA clip, bro. That's what I'm saying. I'm not saying as long as you're making money, I'm making money. None of this matters, bro. At the end of the day, the only thing matters that am I making money with this shit? That's gonna matter, bro. Even if you have the best strategy in the world, but you don't have the mindset, you don't have a clear psychology, like calm mind, you're not gonna be profitable. Like if only trading technicals puts you on a profitable trading career, why there's like only 1% profitable trader in the world? 99% of the traders fuck up, bro. Just imagine that shit. And they are not just watching the charts, like, right? They're putting billions of dollars. So try to think practically, bro. You're never gonna have uh, 100% win rate, bro. Never ever gonna have 100% win rate. That's the truth, bro. You just have to work on yourself. Always just have to work on yourself, and yeah, keep on making money. Sometimes you're gonna lose some. You just don't need to quit, bro. Just never quit. Keep on working. And if you run after the perfect strategy, you're gonna get into that loophole and never gonna escape that, bro. And you're not even gonna work on your psychological part. So what I'm saying, pick a strategy, work on that at least for 6 months, and then see if it works for you or not. That's it. 6 months of journaling with that only one strategy. That's it, bro. Done. Yeah, bro. Amen, bro. Amen. All right, chat. I appreciate you all for pulling up. I'll see you on the next stream. So tomorrow, be there at the same time. And yeah, much love, chat. Peace out.